So the first thing we have to do is deal with the hydrophobic soil. So you will need the microbes to help you do that. If you wanted, when you need to attack it straight away, you will have to use a wetting agent. So Bailey's are a local mob. They do a liquid and a granular wetting agent. Now it's great that I can mention products without being speared to death from ABC management. I have been in the industry for a long time. Let's say longer than 20 years. And I see a lot of stuff come and go. So the stuff I'm recommending to you is stuff that I know works because I have used it myself. And I have used it in trials. So you need a good quality wetting agent. So Bailey's make a granular wetting agent and a liquid wetting agent. The other thing we need to do is we need to get the microscopic life in the soil greater than what it is now. So I've looked at, I don't know how many fertilisers over the last more than 10 years, and I've been really excited by a fertiliser company called Australian Mineral Fertilisers, who are based in Tenterton, and they found a great need to develop a fertiliser for broad acre that didn't actually kill the soil. So what they've managed to do is get the minerals that they need to put in the soil for a crop, and they've encapsulated them with soil bacteria and fungi. So that microscopic life is encapsulated on the grains of the fertiliser, and it's this one here. It's called GrowSafe. So when you fertilise the ground, the microscopic fungi and bacteria is released in the soil. The plant root, it attaches itself to the plant roots, and then it enables the plant to take up those nutrients. So it's adding life to the soil. So anything that you do in your garden, you must think about it in terms of adding life to the soil, not doing something that's detrimental to the soil. So this is the most exciting development in fertiliser since I've been doing horticulture, which is a bit more than 10 years. And it's creating this living mass in the soil. There's another fantastic company from the southwest that are doing a similar thing. They've got rock dust, which is all the minerals that we don't have in our soil. So it's called No Frills Fertiliser, and they make these minerals that you add into the soil, and they do one especially for coastal gardens, and it's called Coastal Cure, and it's got the minerals, but it's also got clay in it. If you look at our sandy soils under a microscope, the sand particles are as big as a basketball, and the clay particles are about the size of a ping pong ball. So what clay does is it fits in all those massive air gaps and fills them in, which means that the soil is able to hold moisture and nutrients. And the other thing that they do that is sensational are the liquid, the seaweed, and also the fish fertiliser. So what I've done is I've done trials on stuff on all my landscaping jobs, in my own garden and in my friends' gardens. So I've done trialled experiments to see what makes a difference to plant growth.